बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। 10th क्लास की बुक स्टार्ट की थी हमने, आज उसका लास्ट टॉपिक है, उसको डिस्कस करते हैं। ज्योमेट्री का पोर्शन हमारा चल रहा है। अब इसमें देखें, हमने टेंजेंट ड्रा करने हैं। टेंजेंट टू द सर्कल। ड्रा अ टेंजेंट टू अ गिवन आर्क विदाउट यूजिंग द सेंटर थ्रू अ गिवन पॉइंट P व्हेन P इज द मिडिल पॉइंट ऑफ द आर्क। ठीक है, एक आर्क है हमारे पास, ये ए पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट बी है। अब ये इसका मिडिल पॉइंट है पी। इस पॉइंट पी के ऊपर हमने टेंजेंट ड्रा करना है। ठीक है, तो इस पी पॉइंट के ऊपर टेंजेंट हम कैसे ड्रा करेंगे? ठीक है, गिवन क्या है, एन आर्क सच दैट पी इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द आर्क। पी क्या है? मिड पॉइंट है आर्क ए बी का। टू ड्रॉ अ टेंजेंट एट पी, हमने पी पॉइंट के ऊपर टेंजेंट ड्रा करना है। स्टेप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन क्या है? ड्रॉ ए बी। ए बी ड्रॉ कर दिया हमने, ये ए बी हमारा क्या हो गया, ये ए बी ड्रॉ हो गया। ठीक है, फ्रॉम पी ड्रॉ सी डी परपेंडिकुलर टू ए बी। ठीक है, अब पी पॉइंट से आपने इस तरह परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर देना है ए बी पॉइंट के ऊपर। ठीक है, और इसको आपने कह देना है, ये हमारे पास सी और ये मेरे पास डी बन गया। ठीक है, फ्रॉम पी ड्रॉ सी डी परपेंडिकुलर टू ए बी के ऊपर सी डी परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर दिया। एट पी ड्रॉ ई एफ, आपने क्या करना है, ई एफ ड्रॉ करना है परपेंडिकुलर टू सी डी। अब इस सी डी के ऊपर हमने परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करना है इस तरह, ये परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ हो गया। ठीक है, ये परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ हो गया, ये ई और ये एफ। तो ये जो है, ये हमारा ई एफ जो है, ये रिक्वायर्ड क्या है, हमारा रिक्वायर्ड जो है टेंजेंट एट द पॉइंट ई एफ इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड टेंजेंट टू द आर्क एट पॉइंट पी। ठीक है, तो ई एफ हमारा जो है वो रिक्वायर्ड क्या है, टेंजेंट है एट पॉइंट पी। तो इस तरह एक आर्क दी हो, उसके मिड पॉइंट के ऊपर आपने टेंजेंट इस तरह ड्रा करना है। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक देखते हैं। अब नेक्स्ट देखें, नेक्स्ट क्या चीज है। अब हमने नेक्स्ट क्या ड्रा करना है, नेक्स्ट हमने ड्रा करना है जी ड्रॉ अ टेंजेंट टू अ गिवन आर्क विदाउट यूजिंग द सेंटर थ्रू अ गिवन पॉइंट पी व्हेन P इज एट द एंड ऑफ द आर्क। अब हमने टेंजेंट ड्रा करना है, पहले P पॉइंट मिड में था, अभी एंड में है। ठीक है, सबसे पहले मैं आर्क ड्रा कर देता हूं, ये मेरे पास आर्क आ गई। ठीक है, एन आर्क ए पी, ये ए पॉइंट है और ये क्या पॉइंट है, ये पी पॉइंट है। एन आर्क ए पी ऑफ अ सर्कल, एक आर्क है ए पी ऑफ अ सर्कल। टू ड्रॉ अ टेंजेंट एट अ पॉइंट एंड पॉइंट पी, तो पी पॉइंट के ऊपर मैंने क्या ड्रा करना है, टेंजेंट ड्रा करना है। स्टेप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन क्या होंगे, टेक एनी पॉइंट क्यू ऑन द आर्क ए पी एंड ड्रॉ द कॉर्ड्स ए पी एंड पी क्यू। कोई भी पॉइंट आप ले लें, कोई भी, इधर ले लें, इधर ले लें, जिधर आपका दिल है। एक पॉइंट ले लिया क्यू। ठीक है, अब इस क्यू पॉइंट को आप इधर पी के साथ भी जोड़ दें, इस पॉइंट ए के साथ भी जोड़ दें, और ए को जो है आप किसके साथ जोड़ दें, पी के साथ भी क्या कर दें, जोड़ दें। ठीक है, टेक एनी पॉइंट क्यू, कोई भी पॉइंट ले लिया क्यू हमने, ऑन द आर्क ए पी आर्क के ऊपर ले लिया, एंड ड्रॉ द कॉर्ड्स ए पी मैंने ड्रॉ कर दी, ये ए पी कॉर्ड ड्रॉ हो गई। ठीक है, एंड पी क्यू, पी एंड क्यू भी ड्रॉ हो गई। ठीक है, ज्वाइन ए टू क्यू, ए को मैंने क्यू से क्या कर दिया, ज्वाइन कर दिया। अब क्या करना है, नाउ कंस्ट्रक्ट एंगल क्यू पी टी। क्यू पी टी, क्यू पी और टी मैंने एंगल ड्रॉ करना है, सेट दैट एंगल पी ए क्यू, एंगल पी ए क्यू, जितना ये एंगल है ना, जितना ये एंगल है, ये एंगल जितना आपका ये वाला एंगल है पी ए क्यू, उतना ही एंगल आपने इधर बना देना है। ठीक है, इसके साथ आपने उतना ही एंगल आपने क्या करना है, मेजर करना है। जितना ये एंगल होगा उतना ही ये एंगल होगा। और फिर आपने क्या कर देना है कि नाउ कंस्ट्रक्ट एन एंगल क्यू पी टी, क्यू पी और ये टी, ठीक है, क्यू पी टी विच इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल पी ए क्यू, और क्यू ए पी के बराबर हो। पी टी इज रिक्वायर्ड टेंजेंट एट पॉइंट पी। तो ये पी टी जो है ये हमारा रिक्वायर्ड क्या आ गया जी, टेंजेंट आ गया। तो जब आपने टेंजेंट ड्रा करना हो एट द एंड पॉइंट ऑफ द आर्क, तो इस तरह आपने उसको क्या करना है, ड्रा करना है। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में क्या करना है हमने, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमारे पास, अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है ड्रॉ अ टेंजेंट टू अ गिवन आर्क विदाउट यूजिंग द सेंटर थ्रू अ गिवन पॉइंट P व्हेन P इज आउटसाइड ऑफ द आर्क। अब हमने एक पॉइंट P से टेंजेंट ड्रा करना है आर्क के ऊपर, और P पॉइंट है आउटसाइड द आर्क। पहले हमने P पॉइंट था सेंटर ऑफ द आर्क, फिर P पॉइंट था एंड ऑफ द आर्क, अब P पॉइंट है आउटसाइड द आर्क। तो सबसे पहले मेरे पास एक ये आर्क आ गई है, ये आर्क आ गई है, ठीक है, ये आर्क है, ये आर्क आ गई है। AT इज द आर्क A and T is the arc. AT is the arc and P is the point outside the arc. So this is the point, this is the point P outside the arc. Steps of construction: join A to P, join A to P. So we have to join A with P, join A to P which cuts the arc at point B. So this cuts the arc at point B. Bisect AP at point D. So we have to bisect this AP at point D. So have to bisect it. So this is point D. We bisect it at point D. Okay, so bisect AP at point D. We bisect this line at point D with D as a center and radius equal to DP. Draw a semicircle on AP. So radius equal to AD or DP. At point D, draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle like this. Okay, this is a semicircle. Draw a semicircle AP. Okay, draw BC. Draw BC perpendicular to AP. So draw from B and C, which is perpendicular to AP. Okay, which intersect the semicircle at point C. Intersect the circle at point C with P as a center, with P as a center and PC as a radius. Draw an arc to cut the given arc at point E. So this and this radius and P as a center. Draw an arc here. Draw arc which cut this at point E. Okay, draw PE which is required tangent. So draw PE. So this is our required tangent. PE which is our required tangent. So PE is our required tangent. Okay, so what we have done, first of all, draw arc. Okay, A and T, point P here. Okay, so join this to P. This is point B. Bisect AP at point T. Draw arc of radius D, P semicircle. Okay, from D as a center. ठीक है, Now draw perpendicular AP BC perpendicular to AP and PC radius. From point P, draw an arc which intersect the arc at point E. So PE is our required tangent to the arc when P point is outside the circle. Okay, now next topic is, this is quite easy, so we have to discuss this. So draw a tangent to a given circle from a point P when P lies on the circumference. Okay, first of all we have a circle. This is our circle and this is center O. A circle with center O and P is a point lying on the circumference of the circle. Here P is the point which is lying on the circumference of the circle. Steps of required to draw a tangent from the point P. Steps of construction: draw OP, draw QP perpendicular to, draw QP perpendicular to OP. So this is not QP, this is OP. Okay, this is OP at point P. So draw perpendicular QP which is perpendicular to OP. So this is our required tangent at point P. Okay, so next topic is draw a tangent to a given circle from a point P when P lies outside the circle. So first of all we have a circle. This is our circle and this is his center. A circle with center O, P is the point lying outside the circle. So here P is the point lying outside the circle. To draw a tangent to the circle from the given point P. Okay, steps of construction: with P as a center and OP as a radius. P as a center and OP with P as a center on OP as a radius, draw an arc OA. So here, from here, radius OP, draw an arc like this. This is the arc. Okay, with P as a center and measurement OP as a radius, draw an arc OA with O as a center and the diameter of the given circle as a radius. So O as a center and radius of this arc will be diameter. Okay, diameter here, this diameter means this one, this diameter means this diameter. Okay, this diameter, this. Okay, with O as a center and the diameter of this given circle as radius, draw another arc which intersect the arc OA at E. From here, okay, draw an arc having radius equal to diameter of the circle like this. Okay, this is point is E. Now we have to which intersect the OA at E. Draw OE which intersect the circle at point F. So draw OE which intersect the circle at point F. Through F, draw PF which is required tangent. Point P, from point P here, draw this line. So this is PF is our required tangent from a point P outside a circle. So this is our required tangent to the circle from a point outside the circle. Next topic. So this is the next topic. Next topic is to draw two tangents to a circle meeting each other at a given angle. So we have to draw two tangents to a circle meeting each other at a given angle. So we have a circle. This is circle. Okay. So this is center of the circle. A circle with center O and an angle equal to angle theta. Angle theta may be 30 degree, 20 degree, 10 degree or something else. The vertex of the given angle is K. The vertex of the given angle is K. To draw two tangents to a given circle such that the tangents are inclined to each other at the angle theta degree. Okay. So this is this vertex of the angle is K theta. We have to draw two tangents which are inclined at angle theta to each other. Okay. So how we draw this? Draw any diameter AB. So we have to draw diameter A and B. AB is the diameter, A and B diameter of the circle. So at O, construct angle BOD, which is equal to angle theta. So whatever the angle which the tangents are inclined, which is theta degree, make angle theta here like this. This is theta angle. Okay, theta. This point is called D. So at O, construct BOD, which is equal to theta. So this angle and this angle are equal. This angle and this angle are equal. Okay. So what should we do? At D, draw DE perpendicular to OD. DE perpendicular to OD. So at OD, here we have to draw perpendicular at point D like this. DE. At D, DE perpendicular to, this is DE perpendicular to OD. At A, draw AG perpendicular to OA. So we have to draw perpendicular like this. AG perpendicular to OA. AG perpendicular to OA. Okay. So these two perpendiculars intersect each other at point H. These two perpendicular intersect at point H. DH and AH are the required tangents inclined each other at an angle theta degree. So this angle and this angle and this angle are equal. So these two are required. AG and DE are the required tangents which are inclined at an angle of theta degree to each other. So next topic. So this is the next topic. Draw direct common tangent or external tangent or two equal circles. So we have two equal circles, and we have to draw tangent to both the circles. So we first of all we draw a circle. This is one circle. This is one circle, and this is second circle. This is our second circle. Two equal circles with center at O and P respectively. So this is a center O and this have a center P respectively, to draw direct common tangent to external tangent to the given circle. ठीक है. Steps of construction: join O to P. So we have to join O with P like this. Now draw two perpendiculars OP at O. Two perpendiculars on OP at point O and P, which cut the circles at point A and B respectively. So draw perpendicular here like this one, intersect the circle at point A, and draw perpendicular like this which intersect the circle at point B. Now join A to B and produce it towards both ends. So join A to B, join A to B and produce it both ends. AB is the required direct common tangent or external tangent to the given circle. So this is our required tangent, which is tangent to both the equal circle. So next topic is, our next topic is draw transverse common tangent or internal tangent to the two equal circles. So we have two equal circles and we have to draw tangent. So one circle is like this one. This is our one circle and this is our second circle. This is our second circle. Okay, these are the two circles, two equal circles with center O and P respectively. This have the center O and this have a center P. To draw two transverse common tangent or internal tangent to the two given circles. First of all, we have the steps of construction. Join O to P, the centers of the circles. So join these two, O and P, like this. Bisect OP at point C. So bisect this at point C. Bisect CP at point D. CP at point D. This is point D. Okay. Draw a semicircle CP diameter. This is CP diameter. CP diameter which cuts the given circle at point C. Draw a semicircle on CP. Draw a semicircle on CP diameter which cuts the given circle at point E. So at point C, at point D, draw a semicircle like this. This is the semicircle. Okay, this is the semicircle which intersect the circle at point E. Draw a semicircle on CP. Semicircle diameter which cuts the given circle at point E. Okay, join E to P. Join E to P. So we have to join this E to P. Okay, draw OF parallel to EP. OF, this is our EP and we have to draw EP. OF. This is one line. Okay, EP. Okay, so OF, we have to draw OF, and this is F point here. OF parallel to EP. OEP this one, OF this one. Both these are parallel. Join E to F and extend the line to both the direction. So we have to join OF with E. F with E. F with E, like this one. Join E to F and extend the both direction. G edge is required tangent to both the circles. So this is G and this is H. So this GH is our required tangent to both the circles. So next topic. Draw direct common tangent or external tangent to two unequal circles. So we have two unequal circles. One circle is this one and the other circle is this one. These two are unequal circles. Two unequal circles with centers at O and P respectively. This have the center O and this have the center P. To draw a direct common tangent or external tangent to the given circle, we have to draw common tangent to both the circles, and the circles are unequal. Join centers of the circles O and P. We have to join these two centers like this one, O and P. OP cuts the circle at point R and S. This point is R and this point is S respectively. Bisect OP at point Q. So this is point Q with Q as a center, QP as a radius. Draw a semicircle. So at point Q having radius OQ or QP, draw a semicircle like this one. This is our semicircle. With Q as a center and my unit QP as a radius, draw a semicircle. So this is our semicircle. Take a point T on OP. Take a point T on OP. This is OP. We have to take a point O. Take a point T on OP in the bigger circle. In the bigger circle, such that RT is equal to SP. RT. Here, take a point RT. So this RT must be equal to SP, radii of the smaller circle. So this and this are equal. So here we take a point T. Length of the radius of the smaller circle. With center O and OT as a radius, with center O, OT as a radius, describe an arc cutting the semicircle at point L. So at O, radius this one, and draw an arc like this. This point is called L. Draw OL to meet the bigger circle at point M. So we have to draw OL, which cut the bigger circle at point M. Draw PN parallel to OM. So this is our OM. This is our OM. We have to draw PN parallel to OM. Join M to N and produce it both sides to get a common. So have to join this N with this M and produce it on the both the ends. So tangent or external MN is the given circle. So this M and N is our required tangent. Next topic. Draw transverse common tangent or internal tangent to two unequal circles. So first of all, we have to draw two circles. One circle is like this one, and other circle is like this one. So two unequal circles with center O and P. This is O and this is P, having radii R1 and R2. This have radii R1 and this have radii R2, where R1 is greater than R2. Required to draw a transverse common tangent or internal tangent to the given circles. So steps of construction: join the centers of the given circles and produce the line to both directions. So this one, produce the line on both the directions. Okay, draw a line segment AB such that AB is equal to R1 plus R2. So this is A and B. This is equal to R1 and A and B. This is R1 and this is R2. Draw a line segment AB such that AB is equal to R1 plus R2. This is R1 and this is R2, like this one. This is A, this is B, this is R1, this is R2. Join the centers of the given circle and produce the line to both the directions. Also draw a line segment AB such that AB is equal to R1 plus R2 with the center O and radius equal to AB. Draw a semicircle. So with center O, at center O and radius equal to AB, radius equal to AB, draw a semicircle. From point this O, draw a semicircle like this one. This is semicircle having radius equal to AB. Okay. Bisect OP at point C. Bisect this OP at point C. Then choosing C as a center and measurement OC as a radius, draw an arc which cuts the semicircle at point Q. So at this point, draw having radius CP or CO and draw arc which intersect this first semicircle at point Q. Draw OQ, cutting the bigger circle at point T. So draw OQ, this intersect this at point T. Now from point P, draw PS, parallel to OQ parallel PS. Okay, in the opposite sense, cutting the smaller circle at point S. This is point S. Join OQ, cutting the given circle at point T. Now draw a line parallel to OQ but passing through a P, which is center of the smaller circle. This line cuts the smaller circle at point S. Join OQ, cutting the given circle at point T. Now draw a line parallel to OQ but passing through P, which is center of the smaller circle. This line cuts the smaller circle at point S. Join T to S and produce in both the direction TS. So obtained is the required transfer tangent or internal tangent to the given circle. So this is our OQ, this is our TS. Now join this T to this S. Join this T to this S. So this is our required tangent. TS is our required transfer tangent for both the circles. Draw a tangent to two unequal touching circles. So two unequal circles with center OP touching each other at point T. To draw a tangent to the circles, join the centers O and P of the given circles, OP passing through T. The point of construct at T. Draw ATB perpendicular to OP. ATB is the required tangent to the circle. Both the circles like this one. So at the intersect point T, draw a perpendicular like this one to OP. So this is our required tangent to both the circles. Draw a tangent to two unequal intersecting circles. So we have to draw this. Draw a tangent to two unequal intersecting circles. Two unequal circles with center O and P and intersecting each other. We have a circle one, this one. To draw a tangent to the given circles. So what should we do? Steps of construction: join the center of the given circle and produce it to the right. So join the center, we join the circle and produce it to the right. Draw a line segment PQ like this one, PQ, as the radius of the smaller circle such that PQ is not along the OP. Also draw OR, the radius of the bigger circle such that OR is parallel to PQ. Join R to Q and produce it to meet the line OP produced at S. Bisect the line segment OS at T and draw a semicircle on OS, which cuts the bigger circle at point L. Finally, join S to L and produce it to M. SM is the required tangent. So next topic, draw a circle which touches both the arms of the given angle. An angle ABC whose vertex is at B, AB and BC are its arm. To draw a circle which touches both the arms AB and BC of the given circle, we have this ABC. So we have to draw a circle in between them which touches both the ends BA and BC. How we draw? Draw BD, the bisect of angle. We have to draw a bisector of the angle B. Take any point O on any point O and draw perpendicular. We have to draw perpendicular like this one on BC. taking O as a center and OF as a radius, draw a circle. So this, and draw like this circle. This is our required circle. Draw a circle which touches two converging lines and passes through a given point between them. Two converging lines LA and KC meet at point B, angle BC. So we have two converging lines KL and AL. ठीक है, CK and AL. Two converging lines LA and KC meet at point B, angle ABC is any angle formed by these converging lines. Let D be any point lying between these two converging lines. D is any point in these two converging lines. Required to draw a circle which touches the two converging lines LA and KC and passes through the given point D. We have to draw a circle which touches both the ends of the vertex, both the arms of the vertex, and also passing from point D. Draw a bisector BE of the angle. We have to draw this bisector of the angle B. Take a point F on BE and draw FG. Have to take any point, take a point F on BE. Take a point F on BE and draw FG. FG perpendicular to BC with F as a center and MG as a radius. Draw a circle. So draw a circle having radius FG as a radius. This circle touches the given converging lines tangentially. So this touches both the arms tangentially. Join D to B. Join D to join D to B. Join D to B. DB cuts the circle at point H. So this cuts the circle at point H. Join F to H. Join F to H. Join F to H and draw DO. So DO, this is DO parallel to FH with O as center and DO as a radius. DO as a radius and O as a center. Draw a circle C which is required. Draw a circle C which as required. So there is the center and this is the radius OD, and draw a circle like this one. So this is our required circle.